Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. So I did a really good job of budgeting for my groceries this week. If you've been around my channel, you know I love to stay around $200 per week for my groceries for my family of 4, me and my husband and my 2 boys. And this week I was at $181. So I love being under budget. And my number one tip for staying under budget is to shop your freezer, your pantry, your refrigerator first before you make your grocery list. So I do all of my meal planning, which really helps save a lot and make sure that we don't have any food waste. This is my favorite meal planning book where I write down all of our meals, and you can make notes in here as well on what you have in hand. I can also make notes on what my kids like if I'm using a new recipe. So I just am in love with this book. I've been using it for a long time now. You see it in every grocery haul video if you've been around. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing with you our meal plans and my groceries for the week. So I got everything from Walmart for my whole family for the week, $181 this week. Let me show you everything I got and our meal plan. All right, here is all of the groceries, everything for the week. The whole counter is full. I got a lot for a little this week, which really makes me happy. So I also got some awesome little appetizers I'm going to be making. So that's a little bit extra and different for this week with football parties and whatnot. I have some appetizers that I'll be making. And of course, I'll be sharing those recipes with you on my channel. So make sure you check out my appetizer videos. So let me start over on this side. I got some tortilla chips, of course, and we love these thin and crispy tortilla chips. They are super good. My boys are really into guacamole right now, so I just get a lot of avocados and they mash it up and have some chips and guacamole on our taco nights. So starting off with some chips. I got 2 things of sugar-free chocolate pudding. This stuff is so good and such a great little small dessert, and I love that it's sugar-free. This electrolyte mix, this is the mixed berry, but you just squirt this into your water, this drink enhancer, and it's really yummy. And my husband really likes this one because of the electrolytes with the B vitamins in there. So he needed one of these. This is his favorite flavor. I got some freezer storage bags and some sandwich bags, and we were very low on both of these. So I love that I can get everything I need at Walmart in one just pick up. I don't have to go to any other stores, and I love that I just include it in my grocery budget. So some pepperoni, some Parmesan cheese. I'm going to make a pull-apart pizza bread for an appetizer one day. Some eggs, of course. Eggs are so expensive. I did go to Costco last week, if you saw that Costco haul, and I got a big box of eggs. So I only needed an 18 pack for this week, which is still a lot, but we go through a lot of eggs, and hopefully the price goes down soon. Some turkey meat, this is my favorite dressing ever. It is 5 calories per serving, I believe, 5 or 10, 10 calories per serving, but it is so delicious. And I have a big box of lettuce from last week left over. So we're going to do a salad one night to make sure that we still don't waste that lettuce. Croutons, of course, for the lettuce, for the salad. A ranch packet and a chili packet. I have not made chili for about a week or 2, and it's just my obsession. So I will be making some chili this week, and I love it. I can seriously eat it every day. Some tortillas. These are the tortillas that my kids like for their quesadillas. Under here is the carb balanced tortillas that my husband likes for burritos. Broccoli. We do broccoli like every week. Sliced turkey meat. Some cheese. And just a brick of cheese. My kids like it off the brick, but I also have sliced cheese for my husband's sandwiches. So lots of cheese this week. We're definitely stocked up on the cheese. Shredded cheddar cheese. This will last us probably 2 weeks, but needed some cheese here. Chicken. I got 2 packs of chicken last week, and I ended up freezing 1. So we usually go through about 2 packs per week. So I only got 1 this week because we had some in the freezer, which, like I said, shopped that freezer before I made my meal plan for this week. This jalapeno pepper jelly is really, really yummy. It's not spicy. If you've ever had jalapeno pepper jelly, you know how wonderful it is. It's more of a sweetness with a kick. So this is going to be in one of my appetizers. Some pickles. I love pickles, snacking on them and having them in tons of different things. Pizza sauce is going to be for my pizza pull-apart bread. Black beans. We always need black beans. My husband and his burritos. Mozzarella cheese for my pizza pull-apart bread. This brown and serve, this is the maple flavor. My kids love this stuff and they can help themselves to it for breakfast, which is so convenient. I love that they can do their own breakfast now. Like when they were little and you had to do everything for them. Now they are so self-sufficient, which is just wonderful. So they love these brown and serves. Edamame, I love it as a snack. It's just great, or it could be a side for dinner, but really great. You just steam it in this bag. Some more cheese for an appetizer tray I'm doing. Some carrots. I'm going to be doing a crock pot recipe this week, and I'll put the carrots, and I have some potatoes in that. I have zucchini, which these zucchinis are big, so that's nice. Zucchini is one of our favorite veggies. Some crescent roll dough for appetizer. Pillsbury Grands for another appetizer. Lots of appetizers this week. This garlic herb spreadable cheese. Oh my gosh, this stuff is just addicting. Once I start eating this, it is so hard to stop, but it is going to go into an appetizer, of course. Cottage cheese, one of my favorite snacks. Yogurt. This is the yogurt that my husband likes, this Too Good brand. 2 grams of sugar per serving. He likes the vanilla, so 2 of these just to make sure he has enough for the week. Avocados here, lots of strawberries. We do a lot of fruit. Got blueberries, 2 bags of apples, bananas, sandwich thins for my husband's sandwiches that he takes to lunch, and then our milk, almond milk for smoothies and protein shakes, and then regular milk for cereal. So that is the groceries, and here is my book with everything written down for what we're gonna have for this week. So like I said, $181 for all these groceries, and we are set. So I am going to be doing turkey chili on Monday, tacos on Tuesday. I'm going to do salad with chicken and the yummy, yummy Skinny Girl dressing. I'm going to do salmon rice bowls. I got salmon at Costco last week. I'm going to do that on Thursday. I'm going to do crock pot tri-tip with carrots and potatoes. I had a tri-tip in the freezer, so that will be coming out for this crock pot tri-tip. I've actually never done a tri-tip in the crock pot, and I've been doing some little Pinterest searches on that, so I'm very excited to try it. I'm going to do chicken teriyaki rice bowls on Saturday, and then chicken corn chowder on Sunday, along with a bunch of the appetizers for football watch parties that I showed you, the appetizers that we're going to have. So this is the meal plan and the groceries. I hope that you enjoyed this week's haul. I hope it gave you some motivation on some things to stock up for with your family, and some meal planning and meal budgeting motivation as well. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing my videos with you. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.